Oh, stranger, 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 stranger.
Feels like a brand new space. 'Cause you're special, yeah. It's been a lot, but it's a new phase. You're special, yeah. Had to choose a brand new way. Special, yeah. Baby girl, you made the right choice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oaitse, back at it again with another video. Tell it, don't you play with me, okay? If you're new to my channel, hello. If you are a return subscriber, you know the drill. Back at it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to switch on the notification bell so that you get notified each time that I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look inspired by Euphoria. If you don't like Euphoria, what are you doing with your life? Like, what are you doing? What I'm going to do first is I'm going to use this LA Girl Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator to like give myself that glow, you know. I have to glow. I mix it with my foundation, so I just finished shooting this hair look, so if you want to see how I got about to do it, make sure that you go back and watch the video. So I like to use this luminous glow together with my foundation, and today I'm gonna put it first. So it's either I put it together with my foundation or put it first. So today is the day that I'm gonna put it first. Do you see how it just brightens my face? It gives my face that glow, you know, in the right places. Can you see this glow? Can you see it here, and can you see it here and here? So I love that. I love that. So I feel like I'm going to start with my brows. Maddie's brows are relatively thin. What I do first to my brows is I just comb them up with this glue. I use Got to Be glue. I just comb it up. Hair brows are darker. So like I have a brown pencil here, and this side is black. So I'm just going to try to use a black eyeliner. So I saw her video, like obviously I researched this makeup look on YouTube to see how other creators have done, and almost all the videos are done by girls with a little bit lighter complexion than I am. So I haven't seen like a dark girl do this, so I try to like fix it, you know. I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer to like highlight my brows. Which one should I use? I put a lot. I wasn't supposed to put a lot there. I wasn't. So I watched her makeup tutorial with Vogue, and she did the most. She literally did the most. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to like follow her tutorial that she did with Vogue, because I feel like that's the little that I can do. Like that's this is what I can do for now. I literally love her personality. Even offset, she's not over the top, but she has this like a great aura. Should I say a great aura? She has a very great aura. She's somebody that can get along with a whole lot of people. She emphasized a lot about blending, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that this foundation has blended right with my skin. I'm gonna put another layer of essence. I don't like when my neck and my face look different, because they can, like, I'm not saying it's not normal. It is normal. Some people's necks are darker than their face. Some people's face are darker than their neck. So it's super normal. I'm not trying to like I'll come here and be fake. I need a sponge. Blend enough of blending. This is not that perfect right now because I'm PMSing and I have pimples coming out. Like, can you guys see this? Yeah, this, and I have a dark mark here, so like I had to cover that up because Maddie's face is heaven. It's flawless. That's what Before I do like the contouring and everything, I'm gonna start with my eyes. That's the signature of Maddie's makeup, because there's no Maddie without a winged liner. She does this heavy and a long liner, and it's so flirty, it's so iconic. Like, I love it. So we're gonna try to do that. I'm very bad at doing eyeliner and I'm so scared right now. I don't know how it's going to look. So for my winged liner, I'm going to use this Rimmel London Scandalous. This. Because I feel like this one is finishing, I'm gonna go again with this Essence Liquid Ink and try to do something visible. Who's that? Don't talk to me, bitch. Who do you think I am? I think I'm good. I'm doing a good job, like a great job for somebody like me who's not a professional. I'm going to try to put on my concealer while I still master Maddie's liner. It can like dry up before I start to distribute it. That's on Periana. That's on a channel Gotta Grow. Period. Is it me, or am I the only one who doesn't want Euphoria to end? Because I have to wait for another year, for another 12 months. Or is it 12 months? I don't know. I really don't want Euphoria to end. But I think this Sunday is the last episode. I'm not sure, but I think this Sunday is the last episode. Today is the 25th of Feb. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lighter concealer. Was I supposed to do my eye? What did I do? I was just so consumed by the fact that the signature thing is the liner that I decided to do it first. So I'm gonna have to do. I feel like I've baked enough. Okay, so I'm going to do a brown look. So this is the color that I'm going to go with. This one and brown. I'm going to use this brown. The fact that I put on a liner first is so funny. Let's watch out and see how this goes. It's super funny. Blend, blend, blend. So that when you put on another color, it can easily blend well with it. Just like that, and make a winged liner with it. And make a winged liner with it. My cut crease, a liner. Comment down below on what you think about this. Okay, I'm going to increase this cut crease a little bit more so that it can be visible, because I feel like it's not that visible, and hers was super visible. Okay, so I went offline like to kind of perfect my look. I don't know how you guys think it looks. Comment down below. But I did what I can. I'm going to take this palette here and highlight my brows. You see how we have a huge difference between this and this. Maybe when you talk Maddy, you talk glitz, you talk glamour, you talk fierce, you know. So I had to do this. I really had to. Let's start by contouring my nose. She doesn't really do contouring her nose. She doesn't really contour her nose, but I'm going to do it.
and the money's hard to make. So I bet they don't.
I'm going to go in with this banana powder that I got recently, and it will be my first time using banana powder, so I really don't know what to expect. I like the fact that it just gets into your skin. It just disappears. It gets into your skin and it does the work. I love that. I'm just going to keep on blending until everything is all blended out. I'm gonna use this to, you guys will see what I use it for. As a blush. Yes, I did it. If you're going to use a lipstick for a blush, you have to make sure that you have time to blend. So I'm going to blend. That's what I'm going to do.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are.
We're going to line it with this brown liner. I already have like plum huge lips, which I like. One thing about me, I will overline. So the reveal, I'm going to reveal the whole look. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe if you haven't, okay? And until we meet again on another video,